Hey guys, welcome back and I hope you are doing good. So in last video, we saw how to set up Go in our system and we saw what are the necessary environment variables that we need to add. One of the environment variable, if you remember, was Go path. And then we saw some help commands and help topics that we can check in our command prompt. In this video, we will be writing our first Hello World program in Go. Why do we write the Hello World program in every programming language? Whenever we are starting with any programming language, you will see in the documentation or any other YouTube channel, they will tell you how to write your first Hello World program. Why do we do that? It's not just that they wanted to enjoy writing that Hello World program. No, writing a Hello World program or anything that you wanted to print is gives you an idea about that programming language. What are the few necessary lines that you need to add and to understand the programming language, right? So I won't go into that deep theory. We will just go into that practical and we will show how to write a Hello World program in Go. So create a folder name even hello just to keep a track, right? And give a name of the file main.go. You can give any name, not just main.go, but the extension should be go. Now, if you remember, if you're working with Java, right? What do you do if you wanted to write a simple print statement? You will create a class and then you will write public static void main, and inside that system.out.println, and in the black parenthesis you will write whatever you wanted to print, right? This is the basic idea about that Java. Yeah, if you remember, we have to create a package there also, right? But it's okay. We can ignore that, right? In Go, also, if you wanted to write a standalone program, you have an entry point that is the main function. And to keep that main function, you have to enter the first line as the package name. That is package main, right? Any other name, if you will try to give here and you will try to run this program, it will show you error. Now, I've written this import statement, import FMD. So FMT is basically the standard package that is available with Go. So it has some basic functionalities that are available with this package, that is formatting of text and print statements, right? So if we wanted to print hello world, we will be using this FMT, right? Now let's just create a main function, which will be the entry point for this main.go program. fmt.println hello world, right? It is that simple. 4 5 lines of code, and it is that simple to write a hello world program here. Right? Now, how to write a hello, how to run a basically hello this program. So we have to write go run main.go and it will run your program. Maybe it will take 2 3 seconds. Yeah. Now it is hello world. You will see in the console it is printing hello world, right? Now, if I will change this package name, as I told you earlier, if I change this package name, it will give you error saying that package should be main. See, package main argument is not a main package. So whatever program you are running here from the command line, the package, the name of the package for that program should be main, right? So this is general basic hello world program that you're writing. Now, if you wanted to convert this program into an executable binary, basically, what you will do? You will write go build main.go and it will convert your program into an executable binary, that is .exe file, right? So let me refresh it. Okay, why is it not created? Oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah. So you saw that when I ran this go build main.go, it wasn't able to create exe. Why? Because the package I changed it to hello. The issue was that. Now, if I go back, if I run this program, go run main.go, it will print hello world, right? So now our program is correct. Now we just have to convert it into executable file. Go run, go build main.go. So it will create your .exe file. Maybe it will take 1 or 2 seconds. Yeah, it is created. So if you'll see here in this folder, the main.exe file is created. Now you can use this exe file directly to run your program. You don't have to write go run main.go, right? You just have to write main C and it will run. See, it has printed hello world, right? So this is that easy. Now there are two other commands also. One is go mod init, right? So if you do go mod init into your current directory, what it will do is it will create a file called mod main.mod file, or basically you can say go.mod file that will contain the dependencies basically of your program, and it will also contain the version of your program, right? So let's see. Let's run go mod init, and you will see that a go.mod file has been created here, and it contains the module name that is p1 hello. So now this p1 hello is a module, right? And whatever dependencies that we are going to add in this main.go, and we do, if you wanted to add it into this go mod file, we have to run another command called, just take a note of all these commands, right? It is already mentioned in the documentations. If you wanted to consult the documentation, you can go to this official go documentation also. Now run this go mod tidy. So tidy, what it does is it will add all the dependencies that you have added into this go mod file. So go mod file has already been created. When you will do go mod init, it will get created, right? Now, if you wanted to remove any dependencies from it or add any dependencies from it, for example, later in the program you added any dependency, right? You wanted to update your go mod file, you have to write go mod tidy. Or if you wanted to remove any dependencies from go mod file, you will write go mod tidy, and it will do that for you, right? So it will analyze your program, it will analyze a program for the dependencies, and it will update in go mod file. So this is the basic commands and just a simple hello world program that we saw in this video. In next video, we'll see some other basic programs, right? Like variables, functions, right? And then we will move to the other advanced concept, like creating an HTTP server, right? How to import some other package, right? Just not just FMT, but how to import some other packages also and then use it in our program. We will also see in the further coming videos, right?